guys, welcome to Best TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to show you guys our Sublimation air fresheners, and we got 7 shapes. They are rectangles, ovals, round, cross, square shapes, Christmas balls, and snowflakes. These 2 are special for the coming Christmas, and they are made of felt. This is a very light material, so you can fix the air fresheners everywhere you want, such as your car rearview mirror, your Christmas tree, your wardrobe, with the little red strings. They will come with the air fresheners. And you can spray some perfume on the air fresheners. They will absorb the perfume and release the fragrance to the air. So our air fresheners are available in 7 shapes, and each shape comes in this 1 sheet. The oval and the rectangular ones, they both have 8 pieces in 1 sheet, while the other shapes, such as the square and the Christmas balls, they come in 6 pieces, which is more convenient for sublimation printing because you can print 8 or 6 pieces in just one go, and you can print on both the 2 sides. So do you guys want to see how to print them? I will show you next. Please keep watching.